If you're planning to buy a used car from a private seller in the UK, there are a few steps you'll want to follow to make sure the car is safe, legal, and worth the money. Start by asking the seller for the car's registration number, MOT test number, mileage, make, and model. With that, you can use the DVLA's free online vehicle checker to confirm that everything matches their records. If there are small mistakes, it could be a simple error. But if the details look suspicious, it's safer to walk away. Next, check the MOT history online. Cars over 3 years old need an MOT every year, so look for any gaps or patterns. If there's a period where the car wasn't tested, ask the seller why. Sometimes a car is declared off the road with a SORN, which is fine, but if the history doesn't add up, that's a red flag. It's also smart to get a private history check, sometimes called a data check. This usually costs under £20 and can reveal things like whether the car was stolen, written off, repaired after an accident, or if there's still finance owed on it. When it's time to view the car, meet during the day and preferably when the weather is dry so you can spot any scratches or damage more easily. Meeting at the seller's home is also a good idea since it gives you a record of their address. Inspect the paperwork carefully. Ask to see the service history and check that the VIN on the car matches the documents. The AA has a helpful checklist if you're not sure what to look for. Finally, take the car for a test drive. Make sure you're insured before you do, either through your own policy or by checking if the seller's insurance allows it. During the drive, pay attention to how the car handles, brakes, and sounds.